energy harvest. I believe there are 5 main resources being extracted from the source soul body. These are vital to our captors and the key reasons why such an industry even exists. These are blood and other organs and chemicals, bone marrow, reproductive elements such as semen, sperm, eggs, hormones, cerebral spinal fluid, CFS, psychic energy, mind reality. Source souls are primarily being used as blood cows. Yes, I don't say this term lightly, but it is the most graphic representation of the truth. Source soul blood is like gold to our captors, and from it much can be extracted or harvested, even actual gold. In fact, gold exists within our bodies as a trace element. The gold traders of the UK state that a 70-kilogram person contains a total mass of 0.2 milligrams of gold. Blood extractions for the purpose of transfusions are performed routinely, by which plasma, platelets, white and red blood cells are harvested from the source soul body to treat or cure a variety of chronic and life-threatening illnesses, such as hemophilia. Blood stem cells help treat leukemia and lymphoma-type illnesses. Source soul blood is used to treat a wide variety of bacterial and parasitical infections, such as cellulitis, UTIs, and salmonella. This is done by first contaminating the source soul with the offending bacteria, resulting in the source soul's body developing immunity to that bacteria, leading to the production of disease-specific antibodies. Source souls will feel the full spectrum of the illness, as the laser treatment are designed to purposely occur, so enough time is given for the illness to fester, so the source soul body produces the most potent antibodies. Enzymes and hormones such as thyroxine and cortisol are frequently extracted from the source soul blood to treat all types of inflammations and help with pain management. Steroids are also used to boost the immune system, build muscle, and treat skin diseases. Another key resource being extracted from the source soul body is bone marrow. Bone marrow is often taken through needle aspiration, by which a piece of bone is removed. Often it is removed from the hip, pelvic area, or ribs. Source souls will feel the effect of these invasive procedures, but will often have events in their lives which they will use to rationalize their pain. Bone marrow helps heal bone diseases of all types, including spinal cord injuries and various bone and blood disorders, such as aplastic anemia and bone marrow disease. It is within the bone marrow that stem cells are produced, which lead to the formation of new blood, including white blood cells, which are vital to our body's defense system. Source soul hormones of all types are used to treat infertility in the various beings interacting with them within the matrix. These hormones include estrogen, testosterone, thyroxine, cortisol, to name a few, combined with other elements of the reproductive system, such as sperm, semen, ovaries, uterine tissues, whole thyroids, and lymph glands. These can be extracted in full or in part to cure or treat infertility problems, reduce miscarriage incidents, and birth defects. These can also be used to stimulate ovulation and libido and help a female carry her fetus to term. CFS, cerebral spinal fluid. Cerebral spinal fluid is a clear, colorless body fluid found within the tissues that surround the brain and spinal column. It fills the space between the arachnoid membrane and the pia mater of the human brain. Subarachnoid chambers, which surround the brain, also store CFS. These look like small appendages, which resemble suction cups. The mind of the source soul is being used for its psychic energy, by which the source soul is engaged in a pseudo-reality, like a lucid dream. In this respect, the source soul believes a real life is taking place, by which they are born, go to school and work, and some form families and long lineages. The source soul's mental reality is projected onto screens to serve as amusement to paying customers who watch the source soul's mental life as entertainment, much like in the Truman Show and reality programs. Source souls are a commodity, a product to be bought, sold, and traded. As such, there is a complex business involving how they are managed and their capital value. For example, source souls are valued based on their blood type, as this often needs to be compatible with their owners. If you find yourself constantly tired, fatigued, now you know why. The good news is, and by this point, you need some. You as a source soul are not ill in any way. All your symptoms are a result of what is being done to you. Source souls feel the symptoms when they are spinal tapped for CFS fluid, or marrow is extracted from them, or when they have a bacterial infection. But these are symptoms only, and not the true illnesses. The source soul body is extremely strong and resilient, and can regenerate everything that is being extracted from it within hours to a few days. Therefore, the ailments you feel are a result of direct attacks and not any real physical problems you have. If you were to be left alone, your body would heal quickly and thoroughly. This is why source souls are so prized, because so much can be taken from them without causing any permanent injury. Source soul treatment is usually based on replenishing the source soul body with a saline solution to curb the effects of dehydration. Other treatments are infusions of vitamins and minerals extracted directly from foods indigenous to the source soul homeland. Never are any real medications or animal-based products fed to source souls. These would harm the source soul body and would be counterproductive to their purpose. Source souls never eat meat. They are only led to believe they can consume meat within their matrix reality as a form of mind violence, to bend them into accepting what is being done to them. Medications taken in the matrix by source souls serve only as placebos, or sugar pills, as source souls heal their bodies once they believe they are being treated.